Hi there. What we're going to do is just go through a few things with the encoder. We have a female. I'm just going to say that she is 40. We're going to make sure for just finding a CPT code. I'm going to go to HCPCS CPT Finder. Okay, and add procedure. Now the first procedure, I'm going to keep it easy. We're going to do a release, continue, and I'm going to release the carpal tunnel. Okay, so right here, carpal tunnel for nerve decompression. We're going to put other because I'm going to say it's open. We're going to say it's the right side. No neurolysis. And here I have 64721 RT. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to go to next patient. Okay, now here, just make sure gender that we match up. So here I do have female in. I'm going to put age 60. And we're going to say that this patient here, still in HCPCS CPT Finder, but I want to come up with more. So we're going to say that this patient had a hysterectomy and I need to find the APC. Okay. With this, if we do just a scope with the hysterectomy, a vaginal, we'll say that we can go ahead and do that. That it's going to be an hospital outpatient. Okay. Primary diagnosis, we're just going to put in endometriosis. Okay, endometriosis. We're going to say, what do we have? Uterus A, continue, and then it gives me my diagnosis code. Now I'm going to add procedure. I'm just going to put in hysterectomy. Okay. And we're going to say that it's a vaginal. We're going to say other. Let's say with laparoscopy. The uterus is less than 250 grams. And other, we did not remove the tubes. They just did the uterus. No, it was not reported with robotic assistance. So there's my code. Okay. So with this, I'm going to hit continue. And right here, you can see it gives me the APC. So down here, APC build type, 13X. Okay. APC1, the outpatient prospective payment system, how much it's going to be. So again, this is a nice little thing. So my APC actually for this is 05361. Gives me my revenue code. So again, I have all the information I need. And what you want to do then to get out of here is just go to next patient. So I'm hoping this little video, does help everyone out with just coding in general. If you have any questions, make sure you ask.